Hello millionaires and future millionaires. In this video, we are talking about how to become a millionaire. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. If you want to become a millionaire, it's important to invest in yourself, invest in assets, and live below your means. You also need to make your money work for you and stay disciplined. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of achieving this financial goal. 1. Invest in yourself. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to invest in yourself. This means taking the time to learn and develop your skills so that you can be more successful in your chosen field. It also means making sure that you are physically and mentally healthy so that you can be more productive. One of the best ways to invest in yourself is to get an education. A good education will give you the knowledge and skills that you need to be successful in your career. It will also give you the opportunity to meet people who can help you achieve your financial goals. 2. Invest in assets. The second step to becoming a millionaire is to invest in assets. This means buying things that will appreciate in value over time, such as property or stocks and shares. It also means investing in businesses that have the potential to grow and generate income. By investing in assets, you can build your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. 3. Live below your means. The third step to becoming a millionaire is to live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving money so that you can invest in assets. It also means living a lifestyle that is within your means so that you can save money. One of the best ways to live below your means is to budget your income and expenses. By doing this, your second step to becoming a millionaire is to invest in assets. This means investing your money in things that will appreciate in value over time. Some examples of assets include stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. By investing in assets, you can build your wealth over time and eventually become a millionaire. 4. Make your money work for you. The fourth step to becoming a millionaire is to make your money work for you. This means using your money to generate income and grow your wealth. One of the best ways to do this is to invest in businesses or buy a property that will generate rental income. Another way to make your money work for you is to invest in stocks and bonds. By doing this, you can earn interest or dividends on your investment, which can help you become a millionaire over time. 5. Stay disciplined. The fifth and final step to becoming a millionaire is to stay disciplined. This means following your financial plan and sticking to your goals. It also means avoiding impulsive purchases and investment decisions. One of the best ways to stay disciplined is to set a budget and stick to it. By doing this, you can ensure that you are spending and investing wisely so that you can achieve your financial goals. By following these 5 steps, you can increase your chances of becoming a millionaire. However, it is important to remember that there is no guarantee that you will become a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire takes time, dedication, and hard work. But if you are willing to put in the effort, then you can achieve. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.